So my name is Ben Pike, I work for QA and I lead the apprenticeship division of that business. Well, technology is obviously always moving very rapidly, so there'll be the vendor technologies, obviously Windows 8, and lots of the application development platforms which we'll see lots of training requirements coming through from. But I think there'll also be a continued and increasing emphasis on project management, on service management, and we continue to see that area of control and management of IT and IT projects as fairly significant. But two really fast growing areas I think will be the areas of information assurance, where we're seeing standards being set around that and employers increasingly being concerned to make sure we manage data effectively. And then of course the cyber threat or security in general, so there'll be lots of training requirements around that, both product specific but also again around methods of making sure that organisations are keeping their information systems secure. I believe they have a significant role to play or a part of a solution to some quite big industry sector problems. First of all, I mean, bringing young people into the sector is very critical, and we have an ageing population of IT capability, so that's important to begin to address that. And apprenticeships really can engage young people and bring them in and develop their skills in a very broad sense. But we're also developing increasingly higher level apprenticeship programs, so level 3 and 4 apprenticeship programs in specific areas. So we've just launched a project management apprenticeship program which will help address some of those gaps, bringing young people into the areas of project management. Our developer apprenticeship we see is growing very, very quickly on .NET and Java platforms, just to give a couple of examples really of how we can begin to address those needs. But overall, one of the big challenges for IT departments is cost. And if you bring apprentices into the business, there is the opportunity to significantly reduce the cost of the labour force, of your resources within the business. And all the studies indicate that actually those young people that you bring into the business often stay longer and are actually more productive. And so that can add significantly to the efficient operation of IT services and departments. And in doing so, as well as all of that, I think there's also the social impact of that, of actually engaging with young people and getting them into employment, which again I think organisations will increasingly see a responsibility to do over the coming years.